Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to filter data in Smartsheet. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up powerful filters to quickly find the information you need, organize your sheet just the way you like it, and even reset everything back to normal with just a couple of clicks. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by too many rows or you just want a clearer view of your data, this is definitely the right video for you. Let's go ahead and dive right in. First things first, make sure you're actually in the sheet page. Sometimes Smartsheet can be a little confusing with its different pages and workspaces, so here's a quick trick. Look at the left-hand side in the workspace item. If you see a purple logo, that's how you know you're on a sheet. That purple icon is your friendly reminder that you're in the right spot to start filtering. If you see something else, like a folder or a report icon, just navigate until you land on the one with the purple shape. It's a small detail, but it saves a lot of confusion later. Now with your sheet open, let's find where the filter lives. Look up toward the top navigation bar and you'll spot the word filter. It might be tucked between some other tools, but it's always there at the top of your screen. Go ahead and click on filter. Don't worry, clicking it won't immediately do anything drastic. It'll just bring up your available filter options. What we want to do next is create a brand new filter. You'll see an option that says Create New Filter. Click on that and a little window will pop up. Here, where you get to name your filter. It might be tempting to skip past this part, but giving your filter a meaningful name really helps if you're going to save it for later or share it with your team. Maybe call it Open Tasks or Urgent Requests, whatever makes sense for what you're working on. Underneath the name, you'll see settings that allow you to show rows that match certain criteria. This is the real power of filtering. You can control exactly which data shows up. Think of it like putting on special glasses that only let you see what's actually important to you. For example, maybe you only want to see rows assigned to a specific person or rows with a status of in progress. Go ahead and select the field or fields you want to use to filter. Smartsheet lets you choose more than one field, so you can get really specific if you need to. Once you've picked your fields, select the values you want to filter by. Let's say you want to see only tasks due this week. Select the due date field and the relevant dates. When you're happy with your setup, just click Apply. Give it a second. Depending on the size of your sheet, it might take a moment to process, but then you'll see that your sheet is now showing only the rows that match your filter conditions. It's such a simple step, but it can make a huge difference in how you work with your data. Now, what if you want to bring everything back to the way it was with no filters? No problem at all. Just go back up to the Filter menu and select Filter Off. In an instant, your sheet resets to show all rows, nothing lost, nothing hidden, and that's all there is to it. Creating and applying filters in Smartsheet is a fantastic way to take control of your data and focus only on what matters most. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop any questions you have in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.